Hi guys, and welcome to 123 My IT's video where we take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S10e. The Samsung S10 has been redesigned and the distracting notch that was on previous models has been removed. They call it the S10e Display and it makes for a more cinematic experience.
The Galaxy S10 comes in 3 different models and retail starts at $750 for the S10e, $900 for the S10 and $1,000 for the S10 Plus. Depending on which model you select, you also have different colors you can choose from. So the first color is Prism White, Prism Black, Prism Blue, Flamingo Pink, and if you're in other countries you may also have a Prism Green to select from. If you choose the S10 Plus, you also get some extra colors, Ceramic White and Ceramic Black to choose from. Depending on which model you choose, you'll have different capacities. So the S10e, you'll have 128 gigabyte of storage, and for a $100 upgrade you can select 256 gigabyte. For the S10 you will be able to upgrade that to 512 gigabyte, and for the S10 Plus you'll be able to upgrade it to 1 terabyte for an extra $600.
Alright, let's take a look and see what we've got in the box here. So just turn that over. So the first thing you'll see is the actual phone itself, and it seems we've got a little bit of plastic around there. Let's take that off. One on the back is the Prism Green. So I don't know whether it really makes that much of a difference when you get the colour, because you know most people buy a cover anyway, so you kind of cover that colour up straight away. See us first. So it's just some support documentation. Next up, in the top of the box, we seem to have some more documentation. Just open that up with a SIM eject tool on the back. Okay, just a quick start guide, warranty card, and how to transfer your content to your new Galaxy phone. Also in the box there, we've got the adaptive fast charger. Don't know if you can see that there. A travel adapter, Samsung travel adapter with the USB charger, and on the bottom we've got the Australian plug, but you might have the US plug if you're in the US. Then it also comes with another little adapter. So this is a USB-C adapter to USB. Okay, so probably when you transfer your content, you'll be able to use that adapter. I might do a video on that as well. Also on the bottom of the box there, we've got our USB to our USB-C cable. Last thing in the bottom of the box there, we've got these AKG earbuds, and they're pretty cool. They've got like a little volume up and down button which you can press on the cable itself, and the cable is actually made from, it's sort of like a nylon kind of ropey feel to it, which means that it probably won't get tangled up that easy. And then of course at the end it's got the headphone jack rather than a USB-C connector. So the colour that I've got here is Prism Green, and it's like a mirror with a green tinge behind it, but it actually changes depending on the type of light that reflects off it. So it's pretty cool. On the front of the phone we have a 5.8 inch dynamic AMOLED touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2280 pixels at 438 ppi. One of the big improvements is that the notch has been removed from the middle of the screen, and it allows you to get more real estate and less black edges on your phone. This seems to work pretty well when using the YouTube app, but I did struggle a little bit when I was using the browser. So here you can see I'm using the Play Store video, and I can't actually get full screen from the Play Store using the browser. On the right hand side of the phone we've got our sleep wake power button, and it also has a fingerprint sensor built in. This means that you can press the button and then use your fingerprint to unlock the device. If you got the S10 or the S10 Plus, then you would have the ultrasonic fingerprint, and what it means is you can press anywhere on the screen and then that would allow you to unlock the phone. This is really cool because it means you don't have to try and find that one spot on the phone where you can press the fingerprint. You've actually got a lot of real estate to be able to use and unlock your phone. Of course, all models come with Face ID, and you can tell this by the flashing ring around the camera. And the camera on the front is a 10 megapixel camera with a 1.9 aperture. And on the left hand side we've got the volume up and down button and the Bixby button. On the bottom of the phone we've got our speaker grill followed by a mic pinhole. Then in the middle there, we've got our USB-C connector, followed by the headphone jack. On the back of the phone we have dual cameras. The first one is a 12 megapixel with an f1.5 to 2.4 aperture, and the other one is 16 megapixel with a f2.2 aperture. The camera's pretty cool though. It's an ultra wide camera and it has a view that is wider than a wide angle camera. The ultra wide camera delivers 123 degree field of vision. Ultra wide lens correction also helps prevent distortion. So if you wanted to check it out, this is at the moment this ratio is 16:9 ratio. If we wanted to put that in full, you can see how much more of a view you get. But then if you turn on the ultra wide, that's what you get again. So really cool feature. All models come with wireless power share. This means that if you were running low on battery, you could put your phone on top of another phone and you could charge the battery. The S10 also comes with fast charging. This means it should charge half your battery within 30 minutes. On the top of the phone, we've got our nano SIM tray and our micro SD tray. And good thing about this is we can expand the amount of memory that's on the phone. So really good if we're doing 4K video. And also, it's got a little rubber seal around the inside of the tray which keeps it watertight. For those that want to see the Geekbench score, the single core score was 4461 and the multi-core score was 10107. Also the chipset is Equinox 9820 Octa with a Snapdragon 855 and it also has 6 gigabytes of internal memory. The Samsung S10 is a great phone with a great camera and the ultra-wide feature is awesome, but is it really worth the upgrade? Okay guys, so that's pretty much it from me. If this was a helpful video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching guys. Bye bye.